Welcome to the Legoland Castle Hotel in California. This place is incredible. From the moment we first walked through the door, we knew we were in for something special. And so are you. We're giving away a $100 Amazon gift card. Subscribe to the channel and leave a comment to enter. Our family's videos will help your family plan your next theme park trip. If that sounds good to you, please consider clicking the bell icon and turning on all notifications. All the way down to the carpet, the Castle Hotel's theming is unbelievable. You can get a birthday banner on your door or just check out the murals as you walk down the halls. All the rooms on this floor have a Lego Knights theme, but you can also get a Wizards theme. Let's check it out. Oh my gosh, our door looks like a castle door. And there's a kid-sized peephole down low. That's amazing. Wow, this whole place is amazing. Your room key acts like a master switch. When you pull it out to leave, all the lights will turn on. This is an incredible mural right here in our entranceway next to our Lego safe. It's locked, but if we can find the combination, we'll get to keep the treasure hidden inside. More on that later, so stick around. This is the QR code to start your treasure hunting adventure. Sometimes you'll have a card instead. We'll show you how it works when our kids find it in a minute. Speaking of the kids, check out the kids' room. They have their own TV and areas to build their own Lego creations on the wall. There's a bunk bed, and both beds have a reading light. And check out this memo from the king.
Can all brave knights please keep watch for those pesky bad knights? They'll do anything to get their hands on our treasure and ruin the grand tournament.
Well, we can't let that happen, can we? I guess that makes this barracks. There's more cool artwork on every single wall, and even Lego builds just for us. I wish I could take home this giant custom rat made from real Lego bricks.
Coolest ice bucket ever.
There's a few free waters and juice boxes here, which is nice. They'll charge you if you want more, though, and a Keurig coffee machine with a few options. Down below is the fridge,
with a freezer section.
They also have a recycle bin in addition to the trash can, which was nice, and a safe, which was pretty deep. You'll also find a bucket of Legos. You can use these to build on the kids' walls. I mentioned you could bring home the ice bucket. Right here on the wall are the instructions how to do that, and I was tempted. There's a maze on the wall right here next to the bathroom. That bathroom is huge, and it's fully themed too. There's lots of towels and storage right here in the middle by the toilet, in addition to all the space on the large counter. I love the sword. It's made with real Lego too.
Really cool shower curtain.
And a really cool subway tile pattern in the bath. Like the tile is made out of Lego too. Don't worry, it's not. But there are shelves up high away from the shower head. And speaking of that shower head, it comes off. Make sure you do text the front desk for a bath mat so you don't slip. They have a luggage tray for your suitcase, an ironing board and an iron, and some hangers. How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hangers.
Also some extra linens and additional storage space up high. The master bedroom is simply epic. Floor-to-ceiling murals on every wall, a bedspread clearly for a Lego Knight, a light-up stained glass window, fellow knights who need you, and drawers with a TV.
You've got 6 large drawers.
Your room can look into the parking lot, blah, or at the center playground area, or into the Legoland Park itself. We had a great view of the nightly entertainment. Go down and watch it in person if you can, but this was a great alternative if you're too tired. The room also features a huge Lego dragon hovering over your bed. It's real Lego too, but you can't take it home. Yeah, I'm sad about that too. Then we top it off with a full-length mirror to help you get ready for the day.
I'm not sure what exactly I was expecting, but this is impressive. A lot bigger than I thought it would be too. The outlets, we're starting the kids' room. One down there along with the nightlight, which is, my goodness, super amazing. And the one up there. We have an extra one over here. Back here behind the TV. We have 3 more. A little hidden though. Hiding behind the table, we've got 2 more. And one on each bedpost. We have another outlet and a USB. Another outlet and a USB. Along with 2 more hanging out right there. Are you ready?
Yeah. Wow! Look! This up here is
you have your very own light. And you have the treasure.
I have the treasure?
Yeah, look at that.
What? I have this?
No, that's Daddy's treasure. Look at your wall. That's all the
I
treasure.
have my own light too. We need to figure out the code. If we can find the combination. Listen, let me try that code for this.
0000, 0001, 0002.
Hang on.
You might get it by the time we're gone. Remember that QR code we found earlier? It's for the treasure hunt. We're in the Castle Hotel. You'll need to explore the entire hotel area and count 4 different things. Once you do, it gives you the combination to the treasure. The combination never changes, so you'll only need to find it once. But you'll get a new treasure each night of your stay. We got different poly bags. One night we got 1 larger poly bag. The other days we got 2 of each. And one of them came with minifigs. You can trade minifigs in the park. We forgot ours at home, so it was nice to have something to trade with. A couple of really cool things we've noticed here since that room tour. Let's add a couple things on the list. First off, what do we see? Oh yeah, check out what the night sky in the kids' bedroom looks like with a little switch right on the side of the TV. Oh my goodness, it's super dark in here. What do we see when it's super dark out?
Stars? Stars. Oh my.
Oh, I see.
One of those.
That is so cool.
Another thing that we see, rubberized corner pieces in the kids' room. All of the cornered surfaces. Make sure the kids don't bump themselves. A few of ours are missing. We also noticed that here in the bathroom, the toilet is a built-in kid seat. In addition to the regular seat. That's incredible thinking. That's incredible thinking. You know what else is incredible thinking? Entering our giveaway. We're giving away a $100 Amazon gift card each time we hit a subscriber milestone like 2,000, 3,000 or more. Subscribe and leave a comment to enter. You need to be at least 18 and live in the United States. The complete rules are in the description. Good luck. Now check out the rest of the Castle Hotel and Legoland.